What's up, good people? I'm back here in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and I'm here for about 4 days. Today, beautiful day, blue sky. I've decided to rent out a motorbike and go and check out some waterfalls today. I'm staying in the old town. Now, if you've never been here, Chiang Mai's main area is the old town area, which is inside a ancient walled area, and decided to stay here. And today we are on an excursion to check out some waterfalls. So let's go and look for a motorbike, grab some breakfast and check out some of the Thailand vibes. Gotta love all these little pathways here in Chiang Mai. They've got like some of their little Buddhas mixed in with some gardens and flowers and things like that. But this is the first time I've been to Chiang Mai, where the weather is really cool. It's about 15 degrees. Normally it's around 30. But because we're heading into dry season, which is winter season, it's a little bit cooler. And the surprising thing too is I've hardly seen any tourists here, meaning it's not as packed as it used to be. I've been here about 3 times, so usually it's quite busy, lots of people. But I went around the town last night and it was really kind of dead. Anyway, let's go look for this motorbike place. Alright guys, so this is the moat that circles the whole old town. Circles right around the old town. Beautiful day here. But not many people out here, not many tourists. Usually this place is busy. But that's Chiang Mai for you. Anyway, we are looking for the motorbike rental place. And I checked on the map, there's one just up here that has Honda Waves. I don't really like the automatic ones. I like the manual or the semi-automatics. Anyway, we'll check out the vibes. Now, to hire a motorbike here in Chiang Mai, you need a deposit, roughly 3,000 Thai baht, which equates to around 130 New Zealand dollars, and also your passport. That's pretty much it. They don't hire out to people who do not know how to ride a motorbike. So if you don't know how to ride a motorbike, you're not going to get one. They normally test you to make sure you know how to ride a motorbike. In my case, I just show them pictures of me and my YouTube channel so that they know I'm capable of riding a motorbike. So that's pretty much the deal. And if you crash the motorbike, basically you got to pay for it, including the parts and all that kind of thing. So I have spotted a rental place just down the road here. Guys, check out this urban art. Chiang Mai urban art. Check that out. Wow, look at this one. This one's a parrot. It's pretty cool. Whole wall of urban art. This one looks like a fox on a motorbike. And this guy. What is that? Anyway, I'm just over here at a motorbike rental place. Hopefully she can get me a Honda Wave, and then we can have a bit of a look around Chiang Mai outskirts, check out a couple of waterfalls, and just check out some of the vibes, which will be really good. Alright guys, so I'm here at Smile Motorbike and Car Rental Service in Chiang Mai. Lovely lady here, Miss Bobby, and she's given me this Honda Wave. It's a little bit older than the one I've got back in Vietnam, but it would do the job. I prefer semi-automatic more than anything. So hopefully we can get some paperwork done and get this bike on the road and then head to a waterfall. Hello, Miss Bobby.
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ Alright guys, we are heading to the outskirts of Chiang Mai. Beautiful day here. So glad I got a motorbike and let's go and see some country vibes and waterfall vibes. Hopefully we'll get there about lunchtime. Alright guys, I think we're about halfway to the waterfall that we're going to go and check out. It's about 70 k's from Chiang Mai town. We're heading out into the countryside. And going through like little towns similar to that of Vietnam. I like visiting some of the towns, the villages. It's really cool. And hopefully we can try some of the village food. What I have noticed is that the cars here travel a little bit faster than those of Vietnam, so just got to be pretty wary of these drivers here. Alright guys, time for a bit of a pit stop. We are at 7-Eleven. I have no idea what the name of this town is, but do want to grab some snacks. Beautiful day here. It's a good little motorbike ride out in the country so far. I think we've got like 40 k's left till we actually get up towards the waterfall, which is in the mountains. It's actually in a national park. National park is called Inthanon, and I think you have to pay, I think 400 baht to actually get into the national park, but they've got like 10 waterfalls, but the major waterfall that we're going to check out is called Maya waterfall, and hopefully we can see it cascading down, because apparently it's got like 20 levels. One of the biggest here in Thailand. Anyway, let's head inside and grab something to eat. Alright, gotta love these pit stops. Definitely one of those. Gotta love all the Thai little snacks they have here. Corn-filled pies, pineapple-filled pies, taro and coconut custard filled pie, and they're about 20 baht, which is about $1 New Zealand. Which isn't too bad actually. One of my mates loved having some of this stuff, the sandwiches especially, which you can see are over here. Hamburgers, these are about $1.50, so pretty cheap. And these are the sandwiches that one of my mates used to get. And these ones here. Alright guys, time for a 7-Eleven snack. It's a tuna sandwich, Thai style. Once we finish this, we'll jump back on the bike and head on up to the waterfall. Nice. Well, still making our way down to Inthanon National Park. I'm not sure if you guys can see clearly, but up ahead in the distance you can see the silhouette of some mountains. So that's where we're heading, to the mountains. They're really high. So hopefully we can get there in another hour or two, make our way up. But we've got to make a stop at a local town and grab some gas, and then we'll head up into the mountains, into the national park. Gotta love all the temples and Buddhas along the way. Been some awesome sights. So it looks like they're building that or refurbishing it. There's those mountains in the distance. Alright guys, we are in Chiang Mai town, which is on the way up to Inthanon National Park. Just a small little town, shops, temples, a few bits and pieces. Alright, let's fill up some gas before we head up into the mountains and then make our way up to Inthanon National Park. Alright guys, so we've filled up gas on the motorbike and we are now going to head up into the mountains now. So I think it's heading to about 12:30, so hopefully we can get up to the waterfall in about another hour's time. I think it's 15 k's up the hill, so it's going to take a little while. But let's cruise on up there and check out some of the vibes.
Bye.